Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Maureen Wadia welcoming you to the Holiday Inn, Mumbai. I have with me today the chef of this Holiday Inn, and this is Mr. Sudhir Pai, otherwise known as Chef Pai. Pleasure to meet you. Thank you. Today, Chef Pai is going to put the Glad Rags mega model and manhunt contestants through a task. This program is basically to teach them basic cooking skills.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Two couples are going to do only one recipe. So we have got 4 couples and 2 recipes. The first 2 couples are going for grilled shrimp panzanella. And the second 2 couples are going to get penne arrabbiata. What I'm going to look out for the final contestant is how clean is your working area, how are you going to handle the ingredients, what's the type of wastage you're going to do, and then last comes the taste and presentation. Your time will be only 15 minutes. Your coats are ready, the kitchen is ready, and your time starts now.
We're making penne arrabbiata. We've got onion, we've got chicken piece, we've got a lot of toppings, we've got oil. So what we are doing is we're just putting the olive oil, mixing all the vegetables there, and then we'll put the pasta in, the pasta sauce. We'll heat it a bit, put it on the table, and do some topping over it. We'll try to make the best of it.
We are making penne arrabbiata. It's an Italian dish. मैं पहली बार try कर रही हूँ. Hope for the best कि ये बहुत अच्छी बने.
मैं आज ग्रिल्ड श्रिम्प बनाने बोला है. This is the first time I'm cooking a seafood. Hope it goes fine.
मैं एक वेजिटेरियन हूँ और फिर भी मुझे एक नॉन वेज डिश बनाने बोला है और मेरे लिए बहुत मुश्किल होने वाला है. बट स्टिल आई एम ट्राइंग. लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस.
मैं बना रही हूँ ग्रिल्ड श्रिम्प जो मैंने पहले कभी नहीं बनाया है. दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम. आई डोंट नो कि कैसे बनने वाला है ये. मेरे पार्टनर को भी कुकिंग नहीं आती है बिल्कुल भी.
चम्मच यूज करो, चम्मच. तेल गिर जाएगा उस पर, इंडक्शन जल जाएगा. ओके, और छोटा चम्मच यूज करो. देखो जिस चीज के लिए जो यूज करना है वही यूज करो.
पास 10 मिनट है. इसमें सॉस बिल्कुल नहीं है, बिल्कुल भुर्जी बन रही है, प्रॉन की भुर्जी बन रही है. तो थोड़ा सा पानी डाल के इसको गीला कीजिएगा. ये जो आपने सजा के रखा है टेबल पर, क्या करना चाहिए, पहले इसको आप अच्छी तरह से लगाइए. ये सारा कुछ मिक्स हो जाएगा, क्योंकि आपके मार्क्स आपके जो टेबल को मिलने वाले हैं, आपका टेबल कैसा रहेगा उसको मार्क्स मिलने वाले हैं.
How does it look, chef?
It looks good up till now.
It's smelling quite nice and we are hoping that it's gonna come very good.
5 minutes left.
Looks beautiful. Amazing. Smells super good.
4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
This is our dish, penne arrabbiata, and I hope that ma'am and chef would really like it because we have put in our best effort and smells really good. Looks beautiful too.
It's smelling very good. Wow. It's tempting.
ओके, हमारी डिश ग्रिल्ड श्रिम्प रेडी है. आई जस्ट होप मैम को पसंद आए.
My partner did a great job in decorating the salad. Hopefully it should go well with the ma'am.
Next batch, your first 2 couples are doing a chicken stew East Indian style, and the next 2 couples are doing a German potato salad. Your crisp jackets are ready, the kitchen is ready, and your time starts now.
हमको जर्मन पोटैटो सैलेड बनाने बोला है और हम लोग कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि अच्छा ही बनेगा।
Today we are going to be making chicken stew, and it's a really nice process. We've learned we need to saute all the ingredients first. We're just getting our onions cut right away.
We are making German potato salad. We started with bacon. अभी इसे थोड़ा फ्राई करना है ताकि इससे ऑयल निकले, एंड दैट ऑयल वी यूज इट फॉर द रेस्ट। यहाँ पे नीरज पील कर रहा है क्योंकि मुझे कटिंग नहीं आती।
We're making chicken stew right now. We've got all the raw ingredients lined up here. We've already chopped the onions, parsley, and diced chicken. So we're going to start up with the cooking process now.
बेकन को धुआं आ गया, जला हुआ जली हुई खुशबू, उसको पैन हटा दीजिएगा। कोई भी चीज जलता है तो पहली चीज क्या करना चाहिए? पैन हटाइए।
Okay, gentlemen, order. Your time, only 5 minutes left.
भैया ये हॉट नहीं हो रहा, कहाँ है?
Look at the smell there.
3 minutes back, things were a lot more different. We didn't get the color we wanted and all, but now that you can see, things are a bit different. We got the color right. We're getting the chicken cooked. I think it's all coming down to the decorations now. How we're going to set the plate.
2 minutes to go. Hurry up. Three, 2, 1, 0. Your time is up now.
This is our chicken stew. It's a combination of chicken, all the vegetables, and a little bit of oil. It's a very healthy preparation with some soupy kind of water in it. So I hope ma'am and chef like it, and we've tried our best to make it as presentable as possible.
हमने बनाया जर्मन पोटैटो सैलेड। जब हम बना रहे थे स्टार्ट में सब थोड़ा फास्ट था, तो बेकन थोड़े जल गए। शेफ ने आके बोला कि आप जल रहे हैं तो पानी डाल दो थोड़ा, फिर पानी डाला हमने, और इसके बाद सब जब हम दूसरे इंग्रेडिएंट्स डाल रहे थे उसमें तो वो अच्छा बन रहा था, तो हमने इसके बाद अच्छा रिकवरी हुआ। तो ये दिख तो रहा है बहुत अच्छा बना है। होपफुली मैम को ये अच्छा लगेगा।
I cooked first time chicken. I've never touched it. I'm a vegetarian. I still cooked it. I'm feeling so proud that I did it.
You're the last batch. So you're going to do grilled shrimp panzanella. Okay. The kitchen is ready for you. The jackets are all there. Your time starts now.
This dish shrimp panzanella I'm cooking for the first time. Let's see how the dish goes. Yes, I've cooked a lot before, but yeah, this one I'm cooking it for the first time.
हम ग्रिल्ड श्रिम्प पैंजनेला बना रहे हैं, जो मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम सुना है। अब देखते हैं, पता नहीं हाउ इट टर्न्स आउट।
पहला एक्सपीरियंस तो नहीं है। पहले बचपन में होता था कि मम्मी किचन में घुसे हुए हैं तो साथ में घुस जाते थे, चपाती बनाने लगते थे, चपाती टेढ़ी मेढ़ी बन जाती थी, बॉल रख के चपाती को गोल करते थे। तो मतलब किचन का पहला एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है, लेकिन प्रॉपर कुकिंग का पहला एक्सपीरियंस है।
Sure, your toast, your bread is nicely toasted.
ओके सर।
Just burn the onions a bit. Let's see how the dish comes out to be.
Put some oil in it.
Yeah.
आपके पास 10 मिनट है। Guys, how are you going?
Good.
Going good?
It's going good now.
Hurry up, please. 2 minutes to go. Okay, guys, 10 seconds left. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
This is grilled shrimp panzanella. I love cooking, but this is the first time I've made this dish. Let's see.
हमने बहुत मेहनत करी है इस पे। अब देखते हैं मैम को कैसे पसंद है। आई होप शी लव इट।
Good evening, girls and guys. Well, you had a task given to you by Chef Pai of the Holiday Inn, Mumbai, and we're here to judge the results. First couple, please. It looks nice. Presentation looks...
Let me taste how it tastes.
Yeah.
The prawn is cooked. The garlic is slightly burnt. And the presentation could have been slightly better.
Okay.
Otherwise, it's okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Next couple, please.
Well, the presentation is nice, but there's too much on a plate.
If you're given a single plate and you're told it's one serving, you all should proportionately know what you have to cook and serve.
Thank you. Yeah, good. The taste is right.
Thank you.
Well, the test of a good pasta is when you eat a pasta, there should be no sauce left on a plate. So it seems good, the sauce is just enough to cover the pasta. Taste is absolutely Indianized. It's like a Punjabi penne. Okay. Basically, the ratio of the other stuff is much more than the pasta.
Okay, thank you.
Stock is good. Salt is slightly less.
I purposely kept the salt on the lower side because we can add the salt, but we can't subtract it.
Guest is not going to mix this up in front of his other guests. It's very embarrassing to mix the whole thing with the right salt. So salt should be the right amount. If the guest wants more, he'll put some more.
Sure, chef.
Next couple. What is this?
Chicken stew.
Where's the stew? You should have realized what is the meaning of the word stew. This is suka chicken.
I think in the hustle bustle and everything, we did get confused with what the dish had to eventually turn out to be.
I'm glad I'm not eating it. Next couple, please. What did you all cook?
We've cooked a German potato salad.
Looks nice.
Thank you.
You understood the concept of the salad where you use beautiful flavor of bacon to incorporate into the potatoes. Presentation could have been better because there were some more ingredients you could have dressed it up a little better.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Next couple. What did you all cook, Neeraj and Maria?
German potato salad.
Lots of balsamic use, so very strong brown flavor. So I don't like it.
It doesn't look like a potato salad. It looks like just lumps of potato with a lumped up onion with, it's a mess. Okay, you can take that revolting dish away, please.
Thank you.
Glad rags make a models. Glad rags make a models. Glad rags make a models. Glad rags make a models.
What did you all cook?
It's a grilled shrimp peninsula.
It just looks like you threw everything in there. I mean, this is a khichdi. I'm glad I'm not eating it.
मैं एक फिल्म स्टार बनना चाहता हूँ.
I want to be a model.
I'm Maureen Wadia, and if you're looking to become a celebrity, the Glad Rags Career Academy in Mumbai is the place for for you to be trained in.
Tracks make a model.
Next. What did you all cook?
It's a grilled shrimp peninsula.
It just looks like you threw everything in there. I mean, this is a khichdi.
I don't dare to even taste this because I'll get a bad stomach. This one is raw.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Next. What did you all cook?
Grilled shrimp peninsula.
Prawns cooked well.
Thank you, sir.
I'm happy that you used only 3 shrimps. That's just enough for a person.
Yeah.
Presentation also fine. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Make sure you stand out from the rest and get noticed. Just like me, make sure you adorn a pair of Skechers.
यार भाई अपनी जैकेट देना।
कौन सी जैकेट?
यार वाइट कलर।
अरे सॉरी यार, आज मैं पार्टी के लिए पहन रहा हूँ। क्या
तू और पार्टी?
क्यों, मैं पार्टी नहीं कर सकता क्या?
पहले तो ऑफिस के बाद बेड से निकलने की हिम्मत नहीं होती थी, अब पार्टी में जाने की जान कहाँ से आ गई?
अरे मेरे दोस्त, अब वो दिन नहीं रहे।
मतलब?
आ तुझे दिखाता हूँ। मेरे जैसे लोग जो करते हैं अपनी बॉडी की केयर, घर पे रखते हैं वो पैनासोनिक मसाज चेयर।
पैनासोनिक, द वे ऑफ लाइफ।
Well, let's take a look at the results. We'll start with the good news first.
Ranjit and Smriti, Bhavneet and Pooja. Your product was good and I am sort of confident to pass your plate on to a guest who comes to Holiday Inn.
Thank you.
4 of you did the best and congratulations, you have won V. Goodie bag.
Thank you.
Only 2 couples cooked well. The rest of you were below average. So, will the following models please step forward? You are in danger. Ravi Akansha, Neeraj Maria, Deepak and Priya, Nutesh and Jaskirat, Ravi Akansha, you all cooked mushy pasta. Neeraj and Maria, you burnt your food. Deepak and Priya, you committed what is called a cardinal crime. Apart from burning, you served raw food. Nutesh and Jaskirat, you served stew that had no stew. 2 people can go from this list only because the food you produced
It's still edible. Yeah.
Mushy pasta is forgivable. Okay, 3 couples standing in front of me, all 3 in serious hot water. Out of the 3 crimes, who should be eliminated? The worst crime on the block would be
Flat rags make a models.
the worst crime on the block would be
मैं एक फिल्मस्टार बनना चाहता हूँ.
I want to be a model.
I'm Maureen Wadia, and if you're looking to become a celebrity, the Glad Rags Career Academy in Mumbai is the place for you to be trained in.
Flat rags make a model.
मैं एक फिल्मस्टार बनना चाहता हूँ.
I want to be a model.
I'm Maureen Wadia, and if you're looking to become a celebrity, the Glad Rags Career Academy in Mumbai is the place for you to be trained in.
Flat rags make a model. Rags make a models.
The worst crime on the block would be
Raw food.
Deepak and Priya. Sorry to say, you have been eliminated and you are no longer in the manhunt and the mega model pageant.
Journey so far was good here in Glad Rags. Wherever I go, I make friends. Here also in Glad Rags, I made friends.
पहली बार कैमरा के सामने आई हूँ तो अच्छा लगा.